may think that thing looks human, but we're created in the Lord's image. You don't think that's what the Lord looks like, do you?
La totalité d'un épisode du Grand Frisson ne suffirait pas à donner un aperçu consistant de la richesse de La Forme de l'eau de Guillermo del Toro, conte romantique en forme de film de monstre qui accomplit le miracle de paraître évident alors qu'il est aussi culotté qu'atypique.
Whatever this thing is, you need it. So, you just tell me what to do.
Alors plutôt qu'un survol futile du film, il nous a semblé pertinent de vous proposer un focus sur les décors, un angle cautionné par notre bien-aimé Guillermo en personne.
The movie is very much set-driven. Every set has a theme. But the curious thing is, it's a movie that is low budget, is 19.5 million, which is like 14 million euros. But I wanted it to look like 60 million, you know, I wanted it to look big. And the key is to design the sets for a theatrical effect, almost like a theater play.
Chaque lieu de l'action fut donc choisi scrupuleusement, à commencer par les appartements de l'héroïne et de son meilleur ami, situés au-dessus d'un vieux cinéma.
It's a movie about cinema, and about love, and about the love of cinema. They are above a theater, and the idea is these were a distribution company and divided it in two and made it apartments for rental. But more importantly, I wanted them to exist in a place where you can understand how she feels.
When he looks at me, he does not know how I am incomplete. He sees me as I am.
Elle, c'est Elisa, l'héroïne muette du film, jouée par Sally Hawkins. Un handicap auquel pallient les décors donc, mais aussi la musique d'Alexandre Desplat.
Quand on s'est souvenu que Sally sifflait comme ça dans la rue, on s'est rendu compte qu'on pouvait développer cette idée-là. Même si sa gestuelle est absolument incroyable, ce mélange du sifflet et de la manière dont je l'entoure d'une instrumentation plutôt lyrique, évidemment, amplifie ses émotions. Donc il y a un orchestre à cordes, quelques vents, du piano et puis les 12 flûtes qui apportent un son très aquatique, ouaté.
Car, évidemment, l'eau occupe une place primordiale dans le film.
Everything in the movie is coded to remind you of water. Tears, rain, water, even the calendar that says time is but a river that flows from our past, blah, blah, blah. We're constantly reminding you of water.
Un sous-texte qui a évidemment impacté tous les décors, à commencer par l'appartement d'Elisa et Giles.
They have a window which comes from Michael Powell's movie The Red Shoes, and I gave half and half because they are basically one character. Giles and her are one character. They complement each other.
Oh, God, I'm so proud of you. God, you're not afraid.
And his apartment is air, and her apartment is water. His apartment is all warm and has sunlight. Even at night, he has sunlight. And her apartment is always watery and cool and has water stains. In the water stains in the wall, we copied a Japanese engraving called the Great Wave of Okinawa. And we copied it, but we did it with wet stains.
What happened? It's an animal, just keeping it tame.
La thématique de l'eau se ressent même dans le bureau du grand antagoniste du film, Strickland.
I wanted him to exist in an aquarium, like a fish. So he is also a prisoner like the fish, but is a very important fish, according to him.
You deliver, that's what you do, you deliver, right? Right?
But the problem is, as the movie goes on, you see that he is under another guy. And like, you know, the general tells him, you're nothing, you work for me. It's very important because I wanted the bad guy to have that type of pressure, you know? And he slowly goes insane.
Même si tous les décors restent cohérents, chacun répond à un code de couleur qui lui est particulier.
We only use red for love, life, and cinema. The blood, the door that leads to the outside and into the theater are red. The seats in the theater are red. The future is green. The facility has a green stripe, the murals are in green, the gelatin is in green, his car is in green because it's thematically important in the movie. Is America fixated in the future? The pies, the horrible pies that the guy sells are green.
Car si les thématiques du film restent intemporelles et universelles, La Forme de l'eau parle aussi de l'Amérique des années 60, ce qui a beaucoup conditionné le travail d'Alexandre Desplat.
Il fallait qu'on reste dans cette époque. Je ne voulais pas que la musique soit dissociable. Je voulais qu'elle s'intègre et que ces mouvements de caméra ininterrompus, et le flot de la musique, des musiques, soit ininterrompu également. Si j'avais utilisé des instruments beaucoup trop contemporains, de l'électronique, on aurait été d'abord dans une couleur qui peut-être aurait augmenté le film de monstre, côté film de monstre, et puis nous aurait détaché de l'époque.
That's better, that's better. Oh, look at Betty. Oh, to be young and beautiful.
Vous l'aurez donc compris, La forme de l'eau est une œuvre ciselée dans ses moindres détails grâce à la passion immodérée de son généreux cinéaste.
It took more than 3 years to write the screenplay, more than 3 years to create the creature. I deferred my entire salary. I added a lot of money on my own pocket.
That's good. Looking like you don't know anything.
You know, when people say it's a labor of love, I always ask, did you get paid? And when they say yes, then it's not totally a labor of love, you know? You need to lose money and put all your money and bet even more for me to believe that, because everything should be on the screen.